What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LB. I'm back. So today we're going to be making a Puma shirt. I made this shirt to go with these shoes. Hopefully y'all think it matches. I think it matches, but we'll see what you guys think in the comment section below. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content. And make sure y'all ring that bell so you guys get notified when I drop some new stuff. So without rambling on anymore, let's go ahead and get into this t-shirt tutorial. Let me give y'all some backstory. I bought these sneakers, but I just don't really have a lot of shirts to go with it. So I'm gonna make a little Puma shirt today to go with these shoes with this blue shirt. So to get started today, we're gonna need, of course, some type of HTV, which I'm using white today, and your Cricut mat, a shirt, and the SVG file of your choice. If you do not already have a file, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to go ahead and get a file from Google and upload into Design Space. So you can do this with anything. Alright, so you're gonna head over to google.com and you're just gonna pretty much just simply just put in the search bar whatever type of image you're looking for, and I usually put PNG afterwards. So I'm gonna type in Puma logo PNG and hit send, and then I'm gonna click on images. Once you find the one that you want, you're just gonna save it to your desktop. Now, yes, all of these may not be an actual PNG file, they may not have a transparent background, but you can always clean these up when you go to upload these into your Design Space. So it's completely up to you on how you want to do it. I did go ahead and take this one right here, and I just simply just saved this. I added it to my photos.
Why can't I speak today?
Once you have the image downloaded, you can go ahead and open up Design Space, upload that image into Design Space, and go ahead and get started. That's what we're gonna go ahead and do. I just saved that same image. I have it downloaded in my Design Space. So I'm gonna go ahead and, okay, now that we're on our blank canvas, we're gonna go ahead to upload. And I have my image already uploaded here. I'm gonna hit insert, and boom. All we have to do, of course, is just size the image to your liking. Go ahead and make it. Make sure you mirror it, and you're good to go. So let's go ahead and get that done here. I'm gonna make my size, I'm gonna make my height about 7 inches. No, about 8 inches. And then my width is only gonna be, we're gonna unlock dimensions. We'll do our width at 11. All right, so I'm doing my image at 7 by 11. Once I have that the way I want it, I'm just gonna go ahead and click make it. I'm just gonna mirror your image and go ahead and cut it out. So once this gets done cutting out, I'll be right back so we can go ahead and get started. So my Cricut has just finished cutting out my design. I'm just gonna go ahead and flip it over and take it off my mat. Grab my weeding tool. How am I doing this design? And I'm just gonna go ahead and start weeding. For this design, I'm weeding the actual letters out, not the excess around the letters out. I don't know if y'all can see, I got a new weeding tool. I usually just stick it right here next to me. And as I'm weeding, I just go ahead and just take my weeding tool and just stick it in there. And that's where all my trash goes now. Okay, my heat press just got done heating up to the correct temperature, which is great because I just finished weeding, and this is what we're left with. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and just preheat my shirt to get any moisture out of it. So I also have these new t-shirt measurers. This is great for you to help you place your images down on your t-shirts to make sure that you have them centered. I want to place this around my collar, line this perfectly up with my collar, and it'll help give me a perfect even center line for my shirt. So I know exactly where my design needs to be for it to be centered, but I think I'm gonna go a little bit higher up. So I'm gonna go ahead and just go up underneath of it a little bit. All right, now that looks great. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take this off. Good old Teflon sheet and layer down. And I'm gonna press this at 330 for 15 seconds. All right. I'm gonna make sure we got it all pressed down. Now, as always, I am using Caesar, so this is gonna be a warm peel. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just, whoop. thoughts. Let me press that bottom piece down. I didn't get the bottom good enough. Make sure we get heat applied to there. All right, let's go ahead and peel this off and see what we're getting here. Perfect. Nice, simple peel. Now I will go ahead and give this one more press. Now that I got it peeled off. And that's it. Here goes the shirt, which I think is going to go perfectly with the shoe. Has the same blue color in it. These shoes, of course, have plenty of colors. I did have a pink and I had red as well, but I just didn't think those colors would just look great on my shirt, so I just chose to use white. But there we have it. These t-shirt rollers I did get from Amazon, and they came in a 3 or 4 pack with the adult. They came with the adult, youth, toddler, and an infant one as well. I will have those linked down in the description box below. This also came from Amazon, my little suction cup weeding tool. I no longer decided to use my lint roller, so that's what I'm using. But it does get the job done for me. It makes it really easy. Once I'm done and once it gets too full, just take it over to your trash can and just dump it out. Pop back on your desk and you're good to go. I honestly just wanted to make this today, right now, because I'm gonna be putting these on today and I needed the shirt to wear, so there we go. So the possibilities are limitless when it comes to you and your Cricut. Just make sure you use your creativity, your mind, and you can make anything that you decide to make. Feel free to leave any comments or questions down below, and make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to this video. Bam. I'm back in the lab, I'm back home, so there will be more content coming on a more regular basis once again. Like I said, my camera did die on me, but thanks for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I have some more content coming out later on this week. In the meantime, in between time, y'all stay safe out here. Have a good one.